Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have another Erasmus alumni who will share his experience and some tips and tricks about Erasmus. So let's go. Okay. Hello Sodiq, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, it's a pleasure.
Okay, let's start. So question number one is your introduction. Your name, your country, your bachelor's degree background.
Okay, my name is Ajadi Sodiq from Nigeria, and I'm currently a scholar, one of the students in Erasmus Mundus program in Master's in Environmental Science, Policy and Management, where I'm starting my year one of the first semester at Central European University in Austria, Vienna.
Okay, why you applied for Erasmus Mundus scholarship, or what motivates you for Erasmus scholarship?
That's a big question. In Nigeria, there is one thing we used to say. I don't know if you understand. You call it japa, japa.
No.
Okay. Japa means maybe after your first degree, everybody like you want to move outside your country.
Yes,
you
same in
understand?
Pakistan.
You want to like look for where there's like a suitable condition where you're going to be studying while getting stipends.
Yes.
And Erasmus is one of like a big scholarship in Europe. You understand? Because we apply for as many scholarships, not even Erasmus only, like Commonwealth, traveling.
Yes,
something
Commonwealth.
like that. So the reason for that is like you want to like school outside your own country. You understand?
Yes, sounds good. And what difficulties you faced?
In terms of difficulties, for example, for my program, okay, for this current program, I mean, first is the word limit because to write like 350 word limit, that's this thing.
Yes.
So it's very short, and you have to you have many things you want to write, so it's somehow difficult. You have to write, edit, you understand, like going through a lot of things.
Okay, and how many programs you applied and got accepted or rejected?
For the Erasmus, I applied for. Okay, this year I applied for like 3 programs. That's master in applied hydrology.
Same like me.
Yeah, Coast Aza. Yes, and also MESPOM, Master in Environmental Science, Policy and Management. And I got only MESPOM, so I was rejected for it too.
Okay, best. You had job experience or no? Was it related to your Erasmus program?
Yeah, because I have a job experience. Like I'm working for an NGO called African Climate and Environment Foundation in Nigeria. We have many chapters in other African countries, so it's a full-time job, and it's really related to my program because it's NGO that caters for the environment. And also, I think working for this organization gives me the opportunity to attend Conference of Parties in Egypt, that's COP27. So which like gives me some experience, some chances of being selected if I'm right.
Okay, and how many online courses you did, or is it necessary or no?
For program like Erasmus, which is somehow competitive, I think doing online courses gives the applicant an edge over others because I think I have to like check the modules of my program where I have to like, okay, these are the programs that they're going to like teach us when we start the program. So and I try to like go to Coursera, Udemy, and FutureLearn to take some online courses that are well related or well suited to the program. So I did some programs like that are like I know that they are very well related to what I want to study, and I think that's also give my CV like more robust, some features.
Plus points, yes. Okay, your IELTS score or any trips or
no, I did not take IELTS. IELTS, yeah, because
it wasn't required in your program.
Nigeria is like English-speaking country, so it was waived here.
Okay, yes, okay. Any tips or tricks for CV?
For CV, I think
any one or two.
Yeah, because it's one of the important documents for your applications. Because it's been evaluated also. So for CV, I think the first thing is that it should be well structured. You understand? And it should not be more than at least maximum of 3 pages.
Yes.
You understand? It should like entail some important things about you because when we're talking about CV is something that speaks in your absence. You understand?
Exactly.
It's going to speak for you when you are not there.
Yes.
So it gives the committee, the people that are evaluating your this thing, it gives them some pictures about you. You understand?
Yes.
So you have to like do it very well.
Yes, good. And tips or tricks about recommendation letters and motivational letter.
For recommendation letter, I think one of the things I did is that my program requirement, like you have 2 recommenders. So I use one from academics and one from my like the work I'm doing.
Yes.
So you understand. So I did not like put everything on academics and not in job. So I try to like balance the two. And for the recommendation letter, you know, the people that they want to write recommendation letter for you, first they should be the people that like they know you very well. They can write something good for you.
Yes.
And sometimes you can speak with them like, okay, sir, I know you are busy. Can I like structure something like just a draft, so that because when you give them a draft, it's going to make the work more easier for them than to write something, rather than just telling them, okay, please write a letter for me. They can just write, for example, Manisha, she's fine, she's a good girl. So, and for the motivation letter, I think all the motivation letter if you want to write, you start with a problem. Something like I like this program.
Yes.
You start with a problem that you want to solve, you understand, because you want to learn something that you want to provide a solution for. So, and your motivation letter, you should not use ChatGPT. Please write with your emotion. Write well with that. This is why I want to do this program. You get it?
Yes. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you so much.
It's a pleasure. Yeah. Bye. See you guys in
Bye.
Austria.